How to sync Gunship Battle across devices. First of all, open the game and go to the main menu. At the top left corner, you will see the joystick symbol. Tap on it and it will prompt you to link your account with Google Play Games. Choose your Google account and hit Next. Your game progress will then be linked to Google Play Games, ensuring your data is safely saved. Next, make sure you are logged in with the same Google account on all devices you want to sync. Once logged in, your game progress will automatically sync across devices, allowing you to continue missions, upgrades, and achievements seamlessly. You can pick up right where you left off. This feature is perfect for players who like to play on both mobile and tablet or when upgrading to a new device. This ensures your progress is always backed up and you won't lose any data even if you switch devices or reinstall the game. Now you know how to sync Gunship Battle across devices. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.